Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh, this is comedy. It's the first time I'm driving this bike off-road. I have tried it at the front of my house just briefly, but alright, full power. Woo! Our front steering servo is copying a beating. This thing's hilarious. See if I can get it on the footpath here. Here we go. Oh, hey, sliding. Oh, mono. Woohoo! Full power. It's actually pretty quick. I'm impressed. Wait, oh, a little wobbly. Hang in there, buddy. Grass is a little wet. Hopefully it doesn't hurt my electrics. Oh. Man, this thing's got some zip on 2S. Not bad. Oh, oh, the pole. Oh, Jesus. All right, turn. Here we go. Okay, I'm starting to get a little bit used to this now. Oh, come on, stay on the footpath. Stay on the footpath. There you go. Oh, no. Oh, what happened there? Okay, so another way you can launch it is by just holding it and then giving it throttle. And it's away. Oh. Let's see if it'll take some jumps. Oh no! Hey, not bad. Got a little airborne there, that was cool. Whoa. A little wobbly there, buddy. As it goes, wow. This thing goes alright. What the hell happened there? Oh. Bit grippy. Okay, peg it. Oh, we're good. It's alright. It's all part of the act. Just pretend nothing ever happened. Hey, see the jump? Not bad. Oh, where's it going? Can't see. Oh! Hey. It does go pretty slow in a straight line. Don't have to always go full power with it. Oh man, this is too much fun. It's so different. See if we can take another jump here. Hey, that wasn't bad. The only thing I'm finding, it's a bit all over the place. I think that front, oh my god, that front, that was nice. Those front shocks are really not doing the bike any favours, I don't think. But for the most part, they actually work alright. It's just, it's a bit bouncy. The front, the rear seems to be okay. Nice. Oh, I'm upside down. No, I'm good. Woohoo! Alright, let's go inside the BMX track. Actually, before we go in the BMX track, I want to try something else. They've put this pile of dirt here. It used to be all different mounds, now it's just one big one. No! Let's see if it'll go up. Hey, it made it! Not bad at all. Okay, here we go. Come on. Woo. Oh. Wheelies. Here we go. Oh. Picked up a passenger along the way. It's all good. Oh, hit a rock. Nah, it's stuck. Let's see if it'll make it. Will it make it? Yes, it will. Oh, thank God. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Oh boy. Good. Which way's it going? Yeah, made it. Oh, into the fence. No, not upside down. No, 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 no. Oh, big rut. Come on, the other way. There you go. Woo! Here we go. Big jump. Yes! Oh, yeah! Whoa! Easy, Tiger. Oh, no, it's stuck. Alright, last try. See if I can get a one clean lap in. Oh! Oh! He lost his head! He's been decapitated! Oh dear! His helmet's a little bit broken, but should be alright. Alright, turn, turn, turn. Here we go. That was nice. Can we do another one? Oh, turn, turn, no, no, get stuck there. Yes, yes, I made it. Get out of there, get out of there. Oh, rocks are stuck. There we go. Alright, first impressions, I gotta say, this thing is a heap of fun. I almost want to get another one, to be honest. Might just have to buy my own this time, but wow, this is a lot of fun. Front chocks are a little bouncy, as I would have expected. There's no oil in there, so the bike tends to bounce around quite a bit. His helmet came off at one point and it did break a little bit underneath, but it's alright, it'll hold on there for now until I can figure out a way to make it stay there permanently. But the only negative points, aside from the front kind of bouncing around a bit, I did get rocks stuck in the back here a couple of times, so that's really the only thing. But I am on you know, some very abrasive gravel, so that's probably why. But power seems to be very good on the 2S, and it's just heaps of fun. I wasn't expecting it to be so much fun, even though it bounces around and it's not as precise as any other car I've driven. This is a ton of fun and I love it, absolutely love it. But yeah, now I'm going to go try 3S.